Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a really fun one. I'm going to teach you how to draw a burger because it's fun and we're going to put a face on it and it's going to be brilliant. If you like this video, there's another one of mine called Food Fiends, which is a game based on just this sort of thing. So go and look that one up. I'll link to it at the end of this video as well. But that's a lot of fun as well. So let's just start off with our burger. Guess what? We're starting with shapes. Now with this one, you can either start off with a big sort of circle like that and then sort of take the edges a little bit more straight, turn it into a square, or you can take a square and round the edges in. So it's going to be sort of rounded square shape. Now pick out where you want the top of the bun to be. So I'm going to pick out about there. And then I think the bottom bit's coming down there, so I'm going to have quite a short one on there, and then we can put all sorts of fun things in the middle. So first of all, you're going to need another one of these sort of rounded rectangle, I think, for the actual burger in the middle there. And this is where the pencil stage comes in really handy, because you can put your, let's have some sort of cheese coming down there. We can have it melting down. So it puts lots of wiggly lines in there. That sort of looks like the cheese, doesn't it, there? And then some bits sticking out there, some few triangles, so it looks like a bit of salad or something under there, and then maybe some W's under there. We like our W's, and some dots on the top. We can do a bit more when we go into the pen stage. But what we're going to do, this one's going to be a burger that's alive. Could take a bite out of you. So it's going to have eyes. We'll assume the burger is its mouth. You can even draw arms on it if you want to as well. Let's do that because that's really fun. And again, this just around there. So you're almost doing circles on each side, and then the inside of that as well, like that. It's almost like a cup. And then we'll just draw some little bits coming off there for fingers. Right, let's get the pen out. So this is get out of it. One where we're going to follow around the top like that. And then we'll follow the arm around there, and then where we did the hand there. It doesn't matter if you don't get all the fingers in. It's your drawing after all. There's no rules when it comes to drawing, especially with your own art. It's all up to you, which is the beautiful thing about drawing. Eyes. There we go. I'm going to draw a few sesame seeds on top. I'm just going to do with dots. And then he's coming across there. He's really looking pretty funny. We're going to move where the cheese was there. These look great when they're coloured in. When you get a real pop of colour all over it, then it's going to look really burgery. The burger goes next. Again, I'm going to put a few little dots here, like bits of pepper or bits of texture on the burger. And then we're going to follow this through with bits of salad. I'm going to follow some of the W's and some of the triangles there as well. But yours is going to be completely unique. I think he looks pretty funny already. But when you add colour to him, he's going to really pop out, and he's going to look very funny indeed, I think. But yeah, look up Food Fiends on my channel, which I'll link to again at the end of this for more fun with burgers. But you can really go to town with him now. So you can have a little hat on him if you want to copy that. Cap like mine, and a B on it for burger. You can put some feet on him if you want. So he's kicking back there. Give him a whole room if you want to. Where's he sitting? He's sitting in a fast food restaurant. Something like that. Give him a lot of stuff to play with too. Really good fun. Food is always really fun to draw. So draw your favourites. There's my burger. Food Fiends is coming up. You can check out that game. There's some really fun pictures on there as well. So that'll be on the screen around now. Don't forget to subscribe as well. And come back and see me on CaptainFishbeard.com soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.